The infinite alone exists and is real. The finite is passing and false. The original whim in the beyond caused the apparent descent of the infinite into the realm of the seeming finite. This is the divine mystery and divine game, in which infinite consciousness forever plays on all levels of finite consciousness. I am infinite consciousness, interpenetrating and transcending all states of limited consciousness. The most primal and the most final categories of consciousness, say a stone or a saint, are equidistant from me. So I am equally approachable by all. I am the way. Unwavering loyalty to the way is the real remedy for the sickness of impression consciousness. Some of my lovers, owing to fluctuating faith, fail to understand this and run hither and thither for freedom. For me, it then becomes a matter of retrieving them, and others wonder why I give so much attention to these people. A child has many toys, and it likes to play with some more than with others. And one is so dear that he won't part with it even when he goes to bed. If someone snatches away a favorite toy, he must get it back. And if one gets broken, he demands that it be mended. He will not be consoled with another even more costly one. It is the same with me. I am a child whose playground is the universe. All beings and things are my toys in my divine game. Compared with my being and power, all are inanimate toys, but they are toys which I inspire with my life giving love. All are equally me, and I reside in each always. But some are dearer to me, and if one of these is taken from me, I must get him back. And others have no right to wonder why I show so much concern for this one. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai.